It's Carnival Monday and I ain't too long reach home from Juve, but taking the time to post this recipe, so I hope all you appreciate the effort and dedication. Now this is not a recipe for the curry beef that you would buy in a favorite roti shop. This is my personal curry beef recipe, so don't jump up in the comment section talking about that is not how you just make curry beef. This is my recipe. As usual, I have a select combination of aromatics, herbs and spices that give this dish a distinct flavor profile. We build in real flavors here, so this recipe calls for a lot of different things. 2 medium-sized onions diced, 9 cloves of garlic minced, a 2-inch piece of ginger minced, 4 tomatoes diced, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper minced, and usually I would say take out the seeds and membrane, but this is a spicy curry beef, so we're using the whole fruit. And yes, pepper is a fruit. For the herbs, I'm using chive and shadow benny, but if you could get your hands on cilantro, you could use that instead. And check out my mise en place here. There's real things we have laid out here and we're ready to cook with gas. Start off with about 4 tablespoons of olive oil in a pot. You're going to saute the onions until they turn translucent. Basically, you want to saute them until they look like this. Now we want to saute the rest of the aromatics, garlic, ginger and pepper. And remember, we build in flavors here, so we really want to saute these for a few minutes until they soften and begin releasing their aroma and flavor. You're going to add a whole jeera and coriander seeds. Add 4 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder. I'm using my own homemade blend here. Add the tomatoes, 10 carapule or curry leaves, cardamom powder, salt and black pepper to taste. Then you want to add 1 cup of water and cook until the mixture forms a thick paste. So basically we're making our own curry paste here. You want to add 6 cloves, 2 bay leaves, 1 stick of cinnamon. Add the fresh herbs and combine. Now you want to add the beef. I have 3 pounds of beef here that are pre-seasoned with salt, black pepper, garlic powder and paprika, but that is totally optional for this recipe. You're going to be cooking this for a while, so the flavors are going to combine with the beef, so you really don't have to pre-season your beef. The beef will absorb all the flavors that are going on in the pot. You want to make sure the beef is well coated and then cover and allow to simmer for 8 minutes. Here it'll spring its own water. After 8 minutes you want to add 6 cups of water and reduce the heat to a low flame. You want to allow this to cook for 3 hours, or you could use a pressure cooker and cook it for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Make sure to check on the water midway between each cooking process, as you may have to top it up with more water. And after the 3 hours, we left with a thick, rich curry beef. And the smell from this will fill up your kitchen with delicious aromas and might even make your neighbor come across and beg for some of your food. But don't be stingy, share a plate with them. And this will really go down good with some bus up shot, but honestly, I'd prefer it with some basmati rice. The next time I make this dish, I think I want to flip it around. I think I want to cook the beef first and then curry it after. So it'll yield different results. I think the curry will remain more fresh with the fresh herbs and the aromatics and that kind of thing, so the flavor would be different and it wouldn't get as dark as it would get here because it's cooking for a long time. So I'll try that and let you know how it turns out. And check out this beef cutting. Tender, the meat falling off the meat. This is our best recipe. Definitely one to try. If you like this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up and a share. And if you do try it, please post your pictures to Instagram and Facebook and tag us in it. The full recipe, of course, will be found on eatahfoodtt.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.